know, it's a bit odd to be a scientist who studies whoopee cushions. About 70,000 people listened to various whoopee cushion sounds and rated how funny they were. We also found that children find them more funny, which maybe not that so surprising. The whoopee cushion has the same science as happens in your vocal system or in musical instruments like trombones and trumpets. You've got this sort of bladder holding air. Which gives you the intermittent sound you get out of a whoopee cushion. Acoustic waves, after all, are changes in pressure, so you need this intermittent pressure flow to actually give you sound. What drives the vocal folds open is the air coming out of the lungs, and what pulls them back together again is the drop in pressure. Exactly the same that happens in the whoopee cushion.
Sound 3.
I think in terms of whoopee cushion, I think I've probably reached my peak whoopee cushioness.